Hey guys, it's Yasmin here. I'm really excited for today's video because I get to show you guys this wig that offers 100% protection. That sounds like an insurance company, but it literally provides you 100% protection. I'm not even joking. Baby, your edges are going to be thriving this winter. I'm talking about this headband wig that I'm wearing right now. This one right here, bull. Lately this has become my favorite wig to install. It's literally like a grab and go. You just put it on. It's so easy, it's so quick. It literally takes seconds. Say this is like more of a perfect, I'm in a rush, let me quickly put this on so I can still look cute, or a lazy go-to wig when you say I can't bother to do my hair today, let me just put this on and you still look cute. This is the kind of wig that I'm talking about. I look like I made effort, but I really didn't. If you're someone who doesn't like to worry about the lace, or just the general effort of putting on a wig and like laying down the lace and all that stuff, then this is the perfect wig for you. I'm telling you. You think I'm lying? I will show you. I'm back to being bold, but I just want to quickly show you guys the wig I'm going to be showing you today is from My Culture My Hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. It came in a bag like this. It was packaged in this type of packaging. I just took it out. This isn't my first time wearing this. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my first impression. I was happy. I was like, wow, this is actually amazing. Everyone's been asking me about it as well, and I put it out before it even launched, so because this was sent to me. Thank you, My Culture My Hair. They have sent me an 18-inch Moroccan curly. I think the curl texture is like deep wave texture, like type 3C, I'd say, type 3B. I've also got a discount for you guys, which is Yazmin10. So I will leave that in the description box down below, along with the link to this hair. Don't say I never brought you room. So I thought I'd quickly put this wig back on because I'm really feeling myself and I'm about to take some banging pictures soon. But yeah, so for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I look after this hair. I'm going to be doing a wash day with it, and also how I take care of my hair underneath and how I basically prepare it before installing the hair. And then obviously the installation as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys at the end. So now that I've washed it, I have also diffused the hair, and this is what it looks like so far. I feel like the drier it gets, it will just get even more volumized, because the first time I put this on, which was on my Instagram, it was really like the curls were popping. So I'm gonna just wait for this to dry out a little bit more. It is late at night, so I don't want to be diffusing the hair, so it's a bit late, so I diffused it a little bit, but I can't do too much because obviously people are sleeping. So yeah, I'm gonna just be installing it. I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of my hair underneath it as well. What we're gonna do first of all is put my hair down. So yeah, I've taken the bun out and I look like some 80s superstar. Even with the top. I swear to God guys, this was not done on purpose, but anyway, 80s slate or whatever. So what I'll be doing is put my hair in a flat twist, because obviously your hair's got to be as flat as possible with your install. So I'm gonna just do it real quick and go. Okay, so I've changed my mind. I did say I was going to do a flat twist, but what I did instead was I slicked my hair back and I put it in a twist at the bottom of my hair and just like kind of twisted it again and made a little bun out of it, which I will be putting them together once I do this side. So I just want to quickly show you guys what products I've been using, and also what I've been doing to care for my hair. Okay, just unravel yourself. What I've been doing to care for my hair underneath the wig. So I've been using the Aunt Jackie multi-purpose oil. I will just use that and rub it on my scalp, and then I would also just put it all over my hair as well. And I would use the same kind of method with the ORS hairdress, which is also like a scalp cream as well. It's just to, you know, stimulate the scalp and make sure that I use this to focus on the ends, because obviously that's the oldest part of your hair. So just before I put this wig on, I just want to let you guys know that this headband is attached to the wig, so, and it's also got like these combs inside so that it will like prevent it from sliding. I really like about it, it's also got an adjustable velcro at the back of it, and it's quite long as well, so you get to like actually have some wiggle room in terms of like adjusting the size and stuff. Now that I've put on the wig cap, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to put this wig on. It's pretty dry now, but in fact I'm going to put a timer right here just so you guys can see how quick it takes. So 3, 2, 1, go. And we're done. Let me just put on my lashes because I just feel like I'm half done, so let me come back. And look, I'm back and I'm better. I love this wig so much. This is definitely highly recommended. You guys saw how quick it took me to put this on, and I look so cute with it too. Like, she also gave me a couple of headbands as well, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick some of the headbands that's been sent to me. They're really pretty, but I think this is my favorite one. I feel like I've worn this a couple of times now. And also because of the yellow, this is the one I'll be choosing to match my flower. Okay, so yeah, like, I just love the fact that it just looks like you've made so much effort and you just really haven't. Like, this is the most easiest install and quick fix of a cute look. Thank you, My Culture My Hair, for sending me this unit. I'm extremely happy with it. It's absolutely my fave. This is my go-to, and honestly, I don't have the time for lace wigs. I don't have the time for closures or anything like that. It's just so much effort, even though they look cute. Don't get me wrong, they look cute, but it's effort. Even just doing my natural hair, I just can't bother up putting a bun these days, and it just gets like that, you know. I've been grabbing this a lot more lately so I can just leave my hair alone. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Just a reminder that all the links of this hair and the discount code is in the description box down below. We're still in a pandemic, unfortunately, so I hope you guys look after yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.